short video, we're going to take a look at the user experience for Aurora 2.0. Accessing the website for Aurora, you have an opportunity to authenticate contactlessly to Active Directory. This interface is fully customizable and skinnable for your organization. When the user logs in, they're presented with an interface that looks very similar to Windows 10 Explorer interface. This capability over here is for sharing files and folders with people outside of your organization, but we'll take a look at that in another video. So as we look at down through here at the user interface, it's very easy to drill and drive around as you would on a real Windows machine, but you're actually working against the network file system in the browser. Clicking on files will actually render or allow you to display these files and access them through your browser without having to download them. So when we're looking in here like at these files, here you actually have context menus. So we'll create a new folder called Cool Stuff. There we see it there. Drag and drop, cut and paste. So I'll cut these, paste these into here. Then I can basically access these as you would normally. Upload, file uploads. Here we see several files. One of them is a PowerPoint presentation here. You can see it right there, and so I'm just going to pick a few of these files and drag and drop those onto the browser, and then they will upload at this point. You can see those rendering in the file system on network file server. So accessing these files is just like you normally would, clicking here, looking pretty good. The presentation that we uploaded, so we're rendering this PowerPoint presentation in the browser, so you can see it looks like it did on the local file system. As we look at some other file types like video files, those render within the file system itself. In terms of viewing files, you have the opportunity to select your view mode like you would on your users would on their Windows machine. PDF files render just the same way. As we look down through here, we see other file systems on the network itself, including zip files, and the ability to just dig into those straight from there, accessing those files like you normally would, but you're doing all of this through the browser. So that's a quick look at the Aurora web interface for accessing your network files via a browser.